Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody
Mike Foster here.
stand in your way.
Today's video is called Choose Comfort, and you can see I'm just wearing a t-shirt. I wear Hawaiian shirts for comfort. You know, at my age, I've decided that I'm just going to do things that are comfortable for me and make my decisions based on comfort. But you can do it at any age, and it doesn't have to be cost. Like, I prefer to fly first class, but sometimes it costs, hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and I can't. But I can fly comfort. You know, a few weeks ago, I was flying for business. That's back when I went to Atlanta and Rhode Island, and I was on Delta. And for just like $80, $90, I can get it's called a comfort seat. And the comfort seat gives you extra room for your legs. You know, I could stretch my whole leg out like that. It gives you free drinks, and it gives you preferred boarding. For $80, $90, that's comfort. Choose comfort. Why? Because life's short, life is hard, life's a struggle. But if you can just be comfortable, then it makes life a little easier. So take this for example. My wife, she the other day bought all these different sheets and different beddings and linen because they were supposed to make it cooler in the bed. Now we live in a place that gets really warm. And I was like, honey, what's the cost? And she said, who cares what the cost is? You said you want to choose comfort. She got me on that one. That's my wife. And guess what? For a few $100, these sheets are cooler. You sleep cooler at night. You don't wake up sweaty, and it's comfortable. There's nothing wrong with being comfortable. In fact, as you go through life, choosing comfort is important. How else do I choose comfort? Well, the fact that I get to work at home and do my job, I'm very, very blessed. It also gives me a little more versatility when I go out and have to go to the stores to buy things. In fact, my first choice is not even going out. The way Amazon Prime is and all these other websites, my wife uses Walmart online and gets boxes and boxes sent to us of stuff that we usually buy at Walmart. And let me ask you a question. Do you like going to Walmart? I don't. In fact, I don't go to Walmart because I'm not comfortable in Walmart. It's got a lot of people there, and it's got a lot of stuff going on there. And if most of the stuff we buy, it's paper products and eye things for your eye. I mean, it's soap, different things, lotion, all the stuff, deodorant. I can keep naming it. It's all the stuff. It's all necessities that you need that you don't have to look at to buy. You don't have to put in your hand to buy. So why not just do it online? And they have free shipping. And the same thing with Amazon. I use Amazon all the time. I mean, in fact, I think it's Christmas comes every week at our house and packages arrive. But it's comfort. It's convenient. Choose comfort. How else do you choose comfort? Well, I was talking about being able to work at home. When you do go to a store, go to a store when it's less crowded. Don't go to the bank on a Friday if you need to do some banking, which most of the time you can do it online. But if there's other things like the grocery store, I don't buy my meats and my proteins online. I buy them at a local butcher that has a lot of good organic stuff and free range stuff. But I don't go when it's the most crowded, and I don't go when the kids are getting out of school. That's the comfort. That's the flexibility that I have with my job. If you don't have that, try to find a job that you can do that. And try to choose comfort as often as possible. So I've described a few ways that I have decided to choose comfort for my life. Either it's travel, or just everyday purchasing, or how you sleep. Another thing is, again, I said that we get very warm weather out here. We get extreme warmth, and it gets a little cool in the winter. Now, I know a lot of people that won't put their air conditioning on because of the cost, and believe me, I know what the cost is. I've had some high energy bills here, but choose comfort. Don't sweat. Put a fan on. Make sure that you put the AC on when you need to. And if you're concerned about the money, then you need to figure out a way to make more money so that you can choose comfort and enjoy life. That's how Mike Foster has been living his life. That's how I want you guys to live your life. When you have that option, if you can afford it, make it work, but choose comfort. And you know, I take a break when I'm working, and I play the guitar, and I take a walk, and I choose comfort. That one didn't sound very good. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Comfort, comfort, I choose comfort. I choose comfort. That's the name of this video. Comfort, sweet baboon. Peace. Comfort.